Hello everyone, welcome to Properties Consulting Service Private Limited and thank you for joining us today. In this video, we will demonstrate the construction request for information management solutions for Odoo. So let's get started. Basically, construction projects involve construction communications between customers, contractors, suppliers, architects, engineers, and project managers. During project execution, many questions arise regarding drawings, specifications, material, contracts, design, site conditions, and project requirements. Without a structured communication process, these requests are often to exchanged through emails, phone calls, spreadsheets, or messaging applications, making it difficult to track conversations, maintain document history, and ensure that everyone is working with the latest information. To solve this challenge, we developed a construction request for information management solution in Odoo. Basically, this application provides a centralized platform where customers, supplier, project managers, engineers, contractors, and internal project teams can submit, review, response, and manage requests for information throughout the complete construction project lifecycle. The system also stores all communications documents, achievements, responses, approvals, and project histories in one place, improving collaborations, reducing delays, and increasing project transparency. So, now let's walk through the complete workflow. The process beginning from the company's website, customer and supplier can simply open the create request for information page from the website. Instead of sending emails or making phone calls, they can submit their question throughout professional online request for information form. So they can enter project details, select the appropriate request subject. So here we add subject and all. Then we have to add RFI description for a particular subject and select priority and attach a file. Once everything has been completed, they simply submit the request. After submitting the request for information, the customer receives a confirmation message indicating that the request has been successfully submitted. At the same time, the system automatically generates a unique request for information's number and stores the complete request in the Odoo backend for a future processing. Now we can see we have a login as a customer and some customer can create RFI using portal. Now jump to the login as an admin to show that RFI record or RFI document. Let's log into admin user. Then project managers, engineer, architecture, construction, and RFI team members can open the submitted request for information directly from the request for information menu in a main job menu. So let's open that document using request for information menu. Here is that document. The comprehensive RFI from display all project details, customer information, attach a document, communication history, assign a team, workflow stages, properties, and other important project informations. So some responsible person can fulfill all information as per requirement. So let's fulfill let's fulfill informations. Everything related to the request is managed from a single centralized screen. You can choose allow the user. Let's say we have select only to allow users to see that document. Okay. So and here also we configure the closing date. Okay. So once that document is ready, a responsible person can fulfill all informations and assign that RFI to the responsible person. That we have to start our work. So the stage of that document is moved on the assigns to work in progress. So here we have integration of time sheet management also. So basically project teams often spend significant time reviewing construction drawing, coordinating with the consultants, and performing site inf- inspections and preparing technical response. So they can add time sheets using the integration timesheet tab. Here we fulfill timesheet with descriptions. Let's create another one with integration of job code sheet and job code sheet line, and we configure hours for that particular timesheet. Let's say for these 2 hours and for these 5 hours. Okay, so this allow organization to accurately measure efforts, monitor productivity, and analyze the project cost associated with the resolving RFIs. Then we have a RFI surveys integrations. The solution also integrate with the Odoo survey application. So the project team can create a survey directly from the RFI whenever they need additional informations, project evaluations, customer satisfactions, feedback, or internal assignments. Responsible or assigned person can easily create a survey using this at a line. So here let's fulfill survey and add a question regarding our workflow or project update. We need to close here, and you can see the RFI survey document is generated and append that line as per our requirement. This helps to organization to collect a valuable information while maintaining a complete project documentation. Then we have a RFI answer. The dedicated answer section allow engineers, architects, consultants, and project managers to prepare official responses for each request of informations. Multiple answers and clarifications can recorded during the review process, ensuring complete communication history throughout the project lifecycle. So let's add the answer. First, responsible person or assigned person need RFI survey. They need to add stage, need more informations that while generating answer or R&D for answer, they need to add stage as a needs reply. Then we have to add our reply. Then once the official response has been prepared, user can send it directly to the customer using the send by email button. The email composer automatically open with a professional email template. Here you can see the official request for information P- PDF report is automatically attached to the email, allowing customer to receive the complete documentation together with a response. This eliminates manual document preparation while ensuring professional communications. So here, just review the email composer. Then we have to click the send button. In chatter, you can see request for information mail to the customer has been submitted. Then, after all questions have been answered and the issue has been resolved, the project manager or project assigner can close the request information. Closing the RFI automatically updates its workflow stage, generate the official PDF report, send the final response to the customer, and initiate the customer's feedback process. This provides a complete and trackable request for information lifecycle. So here, as per I told, when we close that RFI, system will automatically send a mail for including answers and review the feedback. So after the RFI has been closed, the customer receive another email inviting them to provide a feedback. By clicking the feedback button, they, they can rate the overall service and submitting comments regarding the quick response. So here we have to add comment and our rating. Very let's say very excellent. Then submit it. This enable organizations to continuously improve customer service and project communication. Then go to the in here customer supplier billing tab. You can review or admin user can review the customer supplier rating or 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 comments. Okay, so here you can see we have a reopen workflow if additional clarification become necessary after closure. Authorized user can reopen the request for information easily using the reopen workflow. The project team can continue discussions, update responses, communicate with stakeholders, and close the request again once all remaining questions have been resolved. This is the backend workflow of request for information. Now we have another small workflow for a customer in a customer portal view. Here we have a menu for a request for information in a portal view. So let's log out as a admin user and log in as a portal or a customer user. So here customer and supplier can log in into my account portal at any time. Here they can review all previously submitted requests for informations together with their current status. Opening any request, let's say, allow to customer to review project informations, communications history, uh, official response, attached documents, and workflow progresses. Customer can also communicate directly with the project team from the portal. So here, the portal also provide and download a report option. So here, one click of download RFI, system will automatically generate or download RFI report in a professional way. So system will automatically download PDF using download RFI button or a workflow. So now we can back to login into admin to show report and analysis workflow for our RFI. So login into admin. So basically the application include a comprehensive report capability. So we have a here we have a report menu, and the project manager can monitor request for information performing multiple views, including Kanban view, list view, calendar view, pivot view, bar chart, line chart, and pie chart. So we can see that one by one. So here you can see we have a graphical analysis view for our request for information, including solutions, work in progress. Then we have a bar chart for advanced analysis. We have to see RFQ. In here you can select the type of tickets and pie charts, line charts, etc. etc. So in a request for information, we have also a Kanban view, list view, calendar view. So here you can see we have a calendar view. User or admin user or project assigner can easily see the analysis tab, and we have also activity tab for our request for informations. So let's talk about the configuration. So the system provide a flexible configuration open that allow organizations to customize the request for information workflow according to their business requirements. Administrators can configure RFI subjects. So let's check out that. Then RFI types, Then RFI teams, these only allow as an admin user. Then we have workflow stages. So this flexibility allow organizations to perform the different construction industries to adapt the application to their own operational progress. So, as a summary, the construction request for information management solution provide a complete and centralized platform for managing a project-related questions, clarifications, communications, and documentation within the Odoo. From the website submissions and customer portal, access to backend management, document attachments, communication tracking, email notifications, timesheets, surveys, PDF reporting, customer feedback, and advanced analytics. The application covers the complete request for information's lifecycle for constructions and contracting project. So thank you for watching this demonstration of the construction request for information management solutions for Odoo. For more informations, customization service or implementation support, please contact Probus Consultancy Service Private Limited. If you have any query in this workflow, then feel free to contact us. Thank you so much. Have a great day.